Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and if you just watched my last two nickel boxes, you saw that I hunted some B of A boxes, and this time we've got some Chase boxes. Two different banks though, two different Chase branches I should say. So as always, before we get into the hunt, we need to make sure we actually can hunt these. So let's make sure they're circulated coins. Looking like it is. Definitely. All right. You know the drill. I'll start cracking the rolls. If I see anything cool, we'll loop you in. All right, guys. First roll in. Quick start. Pulled out a pretty nice 1957 Denver. And a few coins behind it. We got a 47 Philadelphia. Worn pretty flat, but it's still a 40s Jefferson, and we like that. Let's keep looking. Roll number two, guys, and I don't know what's going on lately with these, but look at this. Another nickel planchet. Blank. This is literally now 4 that I've gotten in the last 4 boxes. That's crazy. Let's get back to the hunt. Roll number 7. Got another 40s coin here. 1947. Philadelphia. Put it with the other one. A couple of 50s. That blank planchet in 09. And I know it's a newer coin. It's a 1990, but guys, full steps. Maybe a couple of surface scratches. I'm pulling it aside anyway. Kind of an odd crease on it, as you can see. Right under his chin, and extends past his hair up to the word Liberty. Thought that was kind of weird. I'll look at it into the loop later. Pulling it aside for now. Let's get back to the hunt. 10th roll in. Got ourselves another 1940s coin. 1940. Philadelphia. That makes 3. All right. Roll number 11, guys. We got ourselves a silver. I didn't even catch it. It's a Philadelphia. A 1943 Philadelphia. It's in pretty rough shape, of course, but you know what? It's still silver. 1943, first one in the box. We will take it. And it looks like we might have another candidate of something else right here. That's just a 56. Denver. We'll take it, though. And now we have 4 from the 50s. To go along with 3 from the 40s that are non-silver, a 43 Philadelphia, blank planchet, 209s, and a pretty nice coin I'll check later. Roll number 19, got another 1940 nickel here, another Philadelphia. So that's 4 from the 40s now, starting to stack them up, 6 from the 50s. Got a lot of these almost uncirculated 2004s in this box, but I'm not keeping those. So let's go back to hunting. All right, roll number 28. Got ourselves another 40s coin. 1946 Philadelphia. We'll take it. Put it right up here. And that's 5 from the 40s and 9 from the 50s. Plus a silver, plus a planchet, 309s. Let's keep looking. As I was filming Let's Keep Looking, this one caught my eye. Same roll, guys. 1945. Another Philadelphia. That is 2 silver war nickels, 1945 and 1943. I like it. Roll number 35. Got another 40s coin. 1947, San Francisco. We'll take it. Put it up here. That makes 6 from the 40s. All right, let's keep looking. Same roll, guys. Check it out. Boom. Another one. Ridiculous. We have now a total of 5 blank planchets in the last 4 or 5 boxes. It's unbelievable. I can't believe it. Roll number 39, and we got another 40s coin here, a 1948 Philadelphia. All right. 7 from the 40s. 50s are stacking up. Doing good. 2 blank planchets and 2 silvers. Unbelievable. Roll 40. Another 40s coin. 1947. Ooh, San Francisco this time. We'll take it. 47, San Fran. Kind of rearrange the coins so they can fit a little better. All right, let's keep looking. Roll number 44. And we got another 40s coin. 1948 S. We will take it. Gotta love those S mint marks. All right. Roll number 46. Kind of an interesting find. Look at this. It's a 1961. It's likely not a clipped planchet. Just because even though it's a little bit arc-shaped, it's not coin-shaped and it's not clean. There's some play in there. So, but I think I'll pull it aside anyway. Sorry for the dirty hands, guys. These coins are pretty dirty. But I think I'll pull it aside anyway. Just because it's unique. Who knows? All right. Put it up here and get back to the hunt. All right, guys. Another box of nickels hunted. Let's go ahead and slide the finds on over here. We got 4 2009s. A couple of really nice coins here I'll take a little closer look at. This not clipped planchet at all. It looks like it's been snipped, but either way, still kind of cool. I might hold on to it. We got a couple of blank planchets. I got 2 in a box. I gave 1 away to one of my loyal subscribers. I got another one in the last box and 2 more again in this box. Crazy. Look at all these 50s coins. 17 from the 50s and all kinds of years, guys. Let's take a quick look. 53, got a couple of those. Got a 54. We got 3 55s and 2 56s. And I'll remind everyone, on the 54, you want to check the mint mark. If it's an S, and that one is, you want to look for an S over D. And on the 55, you want to look for a D over S. We also got 4 57s, 158 cool toning, and 4 59s. So nice bunch of 50s. In the 40s, we ended up with 9, 2 40s, a 46, 4 47s, and 2 48s. And then we got a couple of silver war nickels, a 43 and a 45p. Gotta like that. This box was pretty loaded with finds. It was exciting. I gotta still count up the 60s to get a tally on that. We'll have to re-roll all those. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching.